Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you an easy way to help scare away wasps and make this fake hornet's nest. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey everyone, so all you need to make this fake nest is like a lunch paper bag, like a lunch size paper bag, some plastic bags or something to stuff it with. Some sort of twine or string to hang it with. I feel like the twine looks more natural, but whatever you have, and just some scissors. So you're just going to open up your bag. And then you're just going to stuff it with your paper bags or your plastic bags until it's fairly full. So it looks full enough like that. I'm just going to kind of like twist it. If you want it a little bit more, that's fine. And then you're just going to tie your twine around it. And then just put enough string to hang it wherever you're hanging it from. Where I hung mine, I cut a pretty long string because I had to rope it like over one of the beams outside. I'm just going to tie it. Just tied a couple knots just in case. And when you do hang it, make sure that it's obviously not going to be able to get hit by rain because it's paper. Obviously, it will get ruined. So there is your paper bag, and just hang it outside. And it said, I guess I read on Google, it said keep it about 4 to 12 feet from the ground. So you don't want it to be too high or too low. So it looks like a natural spot for their nest. But there is that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out all of my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Take care.